civilization. But as the haunting last scene of the movie shows, as our heroes succumb to the inevitable and invisible fallout, ultimately we all exist in a single sphere with interconnected air and water currents and carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and other nutrient and material cycles. What goes around comes around, literally. It's still hard for most people who don't study science or geography to accept that. You can call it karma if you like, but it's really just the simple consequence of being in a biosphere where nothing gets in but sunlight and the occasional meteor or asteroid, and nothing leaves except a few space probes and heat, when it's not prevented by infrared radiation trapping gases. The interconnectedness and fragility of it all were truly driven home when NASA first released its blue marble photo in 1972. But people have been feeling the impact since the famous Earthrise photo taken Christmas Eve of 1968, as the Apollo 8 spacecraft rounded the dark side of the moon and even